Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make croissants. First, let's prepare our dough. You'll combine 400 grams of all-purpose flour, 50 grams of sugar, 7 grams of active dry yeast, 5 grams of salt, and 180 milliliters of warm milk. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then knead for about 5 minutes until smooth. Cover and chill for at least 30 minutes. Now for the crucial butter block and lamination. Take 250 grams of cold butter and shape it into a 16 by 16 centimeter square. Roll out your chilled dough to a 32 by 16 centimeter rectangle. Place the butter block in the center, fold the dough over, and seal the edges. Perform 3 turns, chilling the dough for 30 minutes after each fold to keep the butter firm. It's time to shape our beautiful croissants. Roll your laminated dough into a large rectangle, approximately 3 millimeters thick. Aim for a length of about 60 centimeters and a width of 25 centimeters. Using a sharp knife or pizza cutter, cut the dough into triangles with a 10 centimeter base. Gently stretch each triangle, then roll it tightly from the wide base towards the pointed tip to create the classic crescent shape. Finally, we proof and bake our croissants. Place the shaped croissants on a baking sheet, leaving ample space between them. Proof them in a warm, humid spot for 2 to 3 hours, or until they are visibly puffy and jiggly. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are a beautiful golden brown and wonderfully flaky. Enjoy your homemade croissants.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.